Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. Okay, today we are not going to see lesson. We are going to learn about grammar. Okay, already we have started one chapter from grammar. This is the second chapter we are going to see. So this is the basic thing. In your textbook there are lots of grammar exercise they have given, but most of the students you don't know about what is a noun, what is a verb, what is an adjective. So you don't know about that. First you should know about what is a sentence. Basic, okay, basic thing. If you want to know the definition of what is the meaning of that part, then only you can understand everything. Okay, so today we are going to learn about parts of speech. Okay, parts of speech. What do you mean by parts of speech? For example, in a sentence there are so many words are there. In a sentence there are so many words are there. So each word we have names. Okay, for each word we have particular names. Okay, the grammarians form the rules and regulations. Okay, in English the grammarians form the rules and regulations. For example, in a sentence, if you take any sentence, she goes to the school. So we are for example we are splitting the sentence. Means the first word it contains one name, she is noun, and goes is verb, and to the school is the object. Understand? Or name of a noun. Okay, like that it each word has meaning, and what is it, words also, names. So now that only we are going to see parts of speech. Very very important. The first one is we are going to study noun. Okay, noun. Noun, what is a noun? Noun is a name of a place, name of a thing, name of a, what is that, name of a animal, name of a bird or anything. Okay, wherever the names comes we call it as a noun. So the example is bus, and then river, and then gold, and then man. You can write what is that, Bombay, and then name of a person also you can write. Okay, like that. So this is the noun. Wherever the names comes we call it as a noun. So it's the example. Our next one is adjective. What do you mean by adjective? Adjective is describes a noun. For example, the black cat sat on the wall. So cat is a noun, black is the adjective. Okay, it describes the noun. Okay, she wears the yellow sari. Sari is the noun, yellow is the what? Adjective. Understand? So there are adjective. There are so many adjectives are there. Adjective of frequency is there. Adjective of there are so many adjectives there. So here example: easy, silent, he was a silent boy. Boy is a what? Boy is a noun. Silent is the adjective. And then Indian, and then hot. Hot coffee we are telling, no? So coffee is a noun, hot is the adjective. And then verb. Verb also very very important. Verbs mean what do you mean by verb? Verb is the action word. What you are doing. For example, what I am doing. I am teaching. So what the action is doing by the thing or by the person, we called it as a verb. Understand? So here verb is what the person is doing. Come. Have is the auxiliary verb. Have and run. Understand? So it's the action word. Next one is adverb. What do you mean by adverb? Adverb is, it describes the verb. Okay. She walks slowly. She ran fastly. So it describes the verb. So that word we called it as a adverb. So here usually, easily, and then yesterday, next one is pronoun. So you are not in lower classes, you are in 10th standard. So you can prepare more examples. Okay, you can write this like this: noun, adjective, verb, adverb, pronoun, and you can write by yourselves. Okay, now you having Google also, you can search that examples and you can write by yourself. Understand? So you can write by yourselves and work out that. Okay. And then pronoun is, I told you, instead of using our name, we will use that he, she. Understand? We, like that. So next one is preposition. So it will tell the position. Okay, position of the noun. Okay, where it from, timings. It will tell refer the time. For example, at 11 o'clock, from, with, in. These words we call it as a preposition. At, from, with, and then in. So the next one is conjunction. What do you mean by conjunction? Conjunction is connecting word. Okay, connecting word. And, but, okay, though. It will connect the words and sentence. And then determiner. Okay, determiner means it will refer particular person. Her, that person, that book I want. Okay, so it will point out determiner, her book, like that. Okay. And next one is interjection. What do you mean by interjection? Interjection means it's an expression. Okay, for sudden feeling. If you are seeing a beautiful building, you will express, oh, how tall the building is. So that is sudden feeling, expressing. That is interjection. So what are the words we see now? First one is noun. Second one is adjective. Third one is verb. Fourth one adverb. Fifth one pronoun. Sixth one preposition. Sixth one conjunction. Seventh one determiner. eighth one is interjection. So there are 8 parts of speech in a sentence. So you should, what is your work is, you write this, what is this, a noun, adjective, verb, adverb, and you find out another words. Understand? So don't worry about this. Again I will revise this lesson. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. So you have praisal verb is there, noun phrase is there. There are so many grammar topic is there. Next class I will discuss you in a new topic. Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.